Hi, my name is Jen Gomez. I'm the Director of Student Services and Equity Education. Sioux City Community Schools takes bullying, harassment, hazing, and discrimination seriously. Today, I would like to show you how to access our bullying, harassment, hazing policy, how to file a complaint online, and also how to use our Let's Talk feature. For the board policy on bullying and harassment, you would go to the district website, www.siouxcityschools.org. You would drag your mouse to the school board tab and you would click on board policies. Under board policies, you would find series 500 students and click on that. You would then scroll down to the 504 section student health, safety, and welfare, and locate policy 504.4. Here you will find procedures for reporting and investigating complaints of anti-bullying, harassment, hazing policy, our regulations for that policy, and a form that you can print and send in. So if we click on the actual policy, we'll bring that up in a new tab. And you will see here that it goes through many aspects of that policy, including definitions, as well as what the expectations are for students and staff regarding bullying and harassment. Now, if we go back to that policy page and we click on the regulations, I'm going to bring that up in a new tab as well. You will see that there are procedures for making a report or filing a complaint, the interim measures, and the investigation and appeal process. So there's quite a bit of information here, so I encourage you to, when you have time, just to read through it so you're more familiar with our policy in the district. Now there's also a form, and I'll click on that and bring that up in a new tab. And this form you cannot submit online, but you can print this form out and give to your teacher, your principal, or send it to myself as well. Now I will show you how to file a complaint online. So I'm going to go back to the home page for the Sioux City Community School website, and I'm going to take my mouse under the Parent tab. And you can see the first thing that comes under the parent tab is the anti-bullying, harassment, and hazing. So we'll click on that. And if I just scroll down, you'll see right there at the bottom the online form for discrimination, bullying, harassment. So I'm going to click on that online form and it comes up in a new tab. And you would just need to complete the fields there. And if you keep scrolling down, then you would find that submit button. So once you submit that form is automatically sent to my email. And then from there, I would contact the person that has filed the complaint as well as notify the school. So now I'm going to show you how to use the Let's Talk feature. So we're going to go back to the school district's homepage. And you'll see on the right side of the screen, there's this option that says, Let's Talk. We value your opinion. So I'm going to click on that arrow, and then this opens up. Now you can select a school, you can select a department. So if you wanted to submit a complaint or a concern to your building principal, then you would click on your specific school, such as East High, East Middle, North High, North Middle, and then at the very bottom is West High and West Middle. Now my department of Student Services is in Equity Education, and you could always send me your concern as well. And then once you would click on, so we'll put in my department. So once we click on the Student Services and Equity Education department, then you would identify who you are. So let's say you are a student. And then you would identify if you have a question, a comment, a suggestion, concern, or a compliment. So we will say that you have a concern. And then you would simply type in what your concern is. So let's just say bullying. And then we can say, I have a friend, and then so on and so forth. Now you can put your name and your email address and your telephone number into this message if you like, or you could send anonymously. So let's just say I want to send this anonymously, and my concern is regarding bullying that I am witnessing or receiving from another student or another person. And then you would send. So when I would hit send, since my department is in the who you're sharing the message with, it's going to come to me through an app on my phone as well as through my email. If you put in your school, then that message will go directly to your principal. Okay, so one last thing I want to show you. So if you have any questions regarding what I have covered, you can contact me and I will show you where my contact information is. So if we, back on the district's homepage, we find departments, and we'll scroll down and find Student Services and Equity Education. And then over on the right hand side, you will see my phone number, my office phone number, and if you click on email address, then it will automatically go to my email address. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or talk to your teacher and or a principal or a school counselor. Thank you and have a great day.